Book of Heaven, Volume 11, August 24th, 1915. The only thing that makes the creature be like God is the divine will. Continuing in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus came for just a little, and I gave him a kiss, telling him, "My Jesus, if it were possible, I would like to give you the kiss of all creatures. In this way I would satisfy your love by bringing them all to you." And Jesus,
"My daughter, if you want to give me the kiss of all, kiss me in my will, because my will, containing the creative virtue, contains the power to multiply one act into as many acts as one wants. In this way, you will give me the contentment as if all were kissing me, and you will have the merit as if you had made everyone kiss me, while all creatures will receive the effects according to their dispositions. One act in my will contains all possible and imaginable goods. You will find an image of this in the light of the sun. The light is one, but this light multiplies in all gazes of creatures. The light is always one, and one single act, but not all the gazes of creatures enjoy the same light. Some, of weak sight, need to put their hands before their eyes, almost not to feel themselves being blinded by the light. Others, blind, do not enjoy it at all, but this is not because of a defect of the light, but because of a defect in the eyesight of creatures. So, my daughter, if you desire to love me for all, if you do it in my will, your love will flow in it, and since my will fills heaven and earth, I will hear your I love you being repeated in heaven, around me, inside of me, on earth, and it will multiply from every point, for as many acts as my will can do. Therefore it can give me the satisfaction of the love of all, because the creature is limited and finite, while my will is immense and infinite. How can those words spoken by me in creating man, "Let us make man in our image and likeness," be explained? How could the creature so incapable ever resemble me and be my image? Only in my will could he arrive at this, because by making it his own, he comes to operate in a divine manner. And through the repetition of these divine acts, he comes to resemble me, to become my perfect image. It happens as to a child who, by repeating the acts which he observes in his teacher, becomes like him. So the only thing that makes the creature be like me is my will. This is why I have so much interest that the creature, by making it his own, fulfill the purpose for which he was created.